Can I make this with fake nails on? We shall find out. Can you not do that while I'm trying to build something? Oh really? I did it. Hi everyone. For this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this DIY makeup vanity I put together. The components of it are not things you would usually use for a DIY, but it is this cute Gothic DIY that I created. It has a really lot of cool Halloween and Gothic elements to it. And really what made me want to do this project is for the longest time I was doing my makeup at my work desk or on my coffee table or at my kitchen table or very rarely in my restroom because my restroom is so hot. And my makeup was just kind of sitting on the coffee table in the makeup bag without really having a place it belongs, not having a place I could put my makeup on, even though we're in the time of the pandemic and I can't really go out. Putting my makeup on really helps me get into the headspace of getting ready for the day and doing work for the day. I wanted to have an area of my small apartment that was just for my makeup area, but the only place I had left was right next to this bookshelf and in between my cat tree. So I already had an ottoman there, so I had to incorporate around the ottoman, which is the ottoman I'm currently sitting on. So this is the process of me DIYing together a makeup vanity. So I bought this gray ottoman when we first moved into this apartment just because we had limited storage and we needed more seating, so I bought this ottoman for that, and inside of it, it just stores my board game. So that is all that's in that ottoman. And on top of it, some people might not think of this as Gothic, but I don't give a fuck what people think nowadays. But I have this pink faux fur that was just sitting in my parents' garage. So I was like, hey, can I have this? I have something that could be useful for it. So this just sits on top of the pink ottoman. My cat likes to go under that and play with it. And that's just simply what the seating for this vanity is gonna be. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I had to go to my dad's house to pick it up, but it finally came in. I ordered it 3 weeks ago and it is this box. This box is addressed, but this box is the whole reason why I suddenly decided to get a makeup vanity, and you will soon see why. All right, here it is, the whole reason why I decided to start putting together a nice little makeup vanity area for myself. It's a makeup brush set, and it's Beetlejuice. Oh, let's take her out. There's a better shot of it. I'm probably not going to use those brushes because those brushes are probably cheap. I'm probably only going to use the big one for, like, I don't know, maybe blush, but smaller than I thought it would be, but I don't care. I still love it. So the material is like this hard plastic that, like, I guess some beer koozies are made of. That's how I would describe how it feels. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. All right, my mirror is finally here, and now I get to reveal to you guys what kind of awesome mirror it is. I was surprised the person who I bought this from off of Etsy used newspaper for the packaging, but then I saw how he actually wrapped the mirror and how he kept that safe. And also, you know, I'd rather this be newspaper, you know, recycling, reusing stuff rather than using packaging peanuts, because also a certain someone thinks packaging peanuts are food. Yeah, I'm talking about you. So I'm gonna reveal to you guys what this awesome mirror is. It's a coffin mirror! I'm so excited and happy. And also what was cool, the shop is called Just Buried. Here is his contact information on Etsy. It came with a cool sticker, I guess also because it was around Halloween, or maybe he just regularly includes this with his stuff. He included some cool little Halloween stuff. Some people might think it's cheap, but as a spooky queen, I appreciate the Halloween stuff. I got a cute bat ring, this little skull, and vampire teeth, because every spooky queen needs vampire teeth. So, you know, I like that he included that just because I love little Halloween trinkets. Okay, so like I said, he wrapped the mirror surprisingly well. Obviously, this isn't the first time I'm opening it. I just wanted it to be a surprise for you guys. So this was wrapped better around, and then he included these little pads to help keep it secure. I can't wait to put it over there on the wall. So excited. So yeah, this is my makeup vanity. It's put together by different things. The three main things are the ottoman I'm sitting on, this $50 desk I got from IKEA, and this coffin mirror. I actually got these vanity lights that just stick onto the wall from Amazon. I just looked on stick-on wall light vanities, and those were the first that popped up. And I liked that they were like a connecting little light strings rather than just big bulbs, because that fit for the space. And then this is just a thing I bought at Hobby Lobby. What's cool about these vanity lights is they actually come in different colors, so that's cool. And then I painted these $1 Dollar Tree frames and put these little x-ray scans on them just because they look cool. Oh, my crow fell over. And this crow I got from the dollar store as well, but he doesn't stand up straight, so I have to put him facing away from me so he can stand up straight. Skirt was made from a holly fabric. So this process took about, I want to say, since the beginning of October till now as I'm recording this video, which is in mid-November, to just finally get everything together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the stuff I put up here, leave a comment below. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.